Hi my friends, today we model this part. It has some interesting elements, features, and the drawing is here. We start with creating this first sketch to apply revolve. Dimensions 36, diameter of 75, radius 8, and be careful, diameter of 41 for this 1 millimeter. Okay, let's start. Standard millimeters IPT, new sketch. We draw a vertical line as a center line, dimension 36. This is center line. Then we draw a line up, press the left button and go somewhere here. Then we apply horizontal to these endpoints and diameter of 75. Radius 8. We apply offset of this line to 1.5. Then we place this point at a distance from here, and the distance is this one, 8. Now we know that this is aligned with this. We draw a line from here, horizontal, up 1 millimeter and to this arc. We apply tangent between these two and tangent to this trim. We connect these two end lines and diameter of 41. The missing dimension is this one, with dimension taken from here. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, revolve, and this is the first volume. We continue with this cut. 32, 10, radius 2.5, radius 2.5. We use the plane XY, F7, rectangle, dimensions of 10, tab 32. We place this midpoint to the center point and fillet of 2.5. This corner and this corner. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical, cut all the way. Okay. Then we select this small edge to apply 2.5 as well. You see, we have to make selections. Okay. Next is this protrusion, and we have to take care. This is diameter of 3.5 and 0.8 from this sloped line. This thickness is the same with this thickness, 1.5. The distance to the center is 52 divided by 2. Let's do this. The plane is YZ, F7, we project the sloped line, the horizontal line, we make them construction, then we draw a circle, placed at a distance from the center point on horizontal of 52 divided by 2. Then we draw a sloped line from this point to the circle to be perpendicular here. We place 2 points, 1, 2 on the sloped line. We make them coincident with the circle. Why? Because we have to place here a dimension of 0.8 here and 3.5 aligned. 3.5. Good. Now I draw a normal line between these two. I apply trim here, and we have a fully constrained sketch. This line is center line. Finish sketch, revolve. We select that area made of two small areas, and we apply revolve. Okay, that is only on up here. Now we have to apply also a circle here with the distance of 1.5 to create this small cut. To do this, we use the same plane, F7. We select the former sketch to make it visible, and we project this arc. Then we hide the sketch, and we have definition from the new circle. This distance is 1.5. Then we connect these two points and we draw a vertical line. It doesn't matter if this is sloped or aligned, because we have to cut a spherical area. We trim one of them, this, and we make this center line. Then finish and revolve, but I use the key R to see inside during selecting what to be revolved. The axis is known. You see? Cut. Okay. Now you see that cut below this. Mirror of the two features about XY plane. You see here a green circle. Okay. That's all. Let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and there is a very small difference. We keep the new value because this is what we did here, and we go to the part to apply the material, which is steel carbon, no edges, and default lights. This is the result, and it is not different from the original made by me, of course. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.